Welcome to Imagine Crochet Today. Let's dive into a sea of stitches and bring a lionfish to life, one square at a time. Today's inspiration comes from this mesmerizing lionfish, known for its vibrant stripes and flowing fins. This is the Lionfish Graphghan pattern we'll be following. Designed in pixel blocks, it transforms yarn into artwork. You'll need about 12 shades: mahogany, jade, turquoise, pistachio green, golden brown, and white for highlights. Start with a strong foundation chain using single crochet throughout. This keeps the image sharp and even. Work row by row, reading your chart from bottom to top, alternating left to right. Switch colors cleanly by pulling through with the new shade on your last yarn over. Don't carry over more than 3 blocks. Each block you stitch brings this fierce and graceful lionfish to life. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Imagine Crochet Today for more ocean-inspired crochet adventures.